The biggest risk with unplanned servicing is breakdowns, of course. Breakdowns cost money. Having regular maintenance may stop the breakdowns occurring. Preventative maintenance is a schedule that we set up within our own internal system where the compressor is serviced on a regular basis of your operating hours within your plant. So if you're running 24/7 around the clock, that's every 3 months we'll be on site to maintain your equipment. If you're only running 8 hours a day, that's roughly around about 2,000 operating hours a year. So you'll get one service a year. And we'll actually schedule them services in with you before the time is due. The biggest benefit of having a preventative maintenance schedule is you don't have to worry about your maintenance. We look after your equipment, we notify you when it's due, we service your compressor. All you have to worry about is to make sure the compressor is available when we arrive.